Salesforce.com is focused on making companies and their employees more successful by allowing them to subscribe to the applications they use over the internet as a service rather than installing and managing it themselves as software.
Skype is a software that's designed to make communication simple. We have 375 million users from every country in the world, and we're growing by approximately 10 million per month. That's the size of Sweden.
Prolific is a software as a service company, and we provide an application that allows companies to organize, send, and track the performance of digital sales collateral.
I think one of the reasons that Salesforce.com was so excited to partner with IBM around Lotus Live is a common vision we have for the future of computing. That as more and more services and applications move to the cloud, we want to make sure they have as good and even better ability to work together and integrate and interoperate so that we can provide our collective customers with even better experiences than they were ever able to get before.
We've been adopted by individuals in businesses, but we're now at the point where we want to be adopted by the business. Of course, IBM has a lot of experience and reputability in businesses, and especially the larger businesses. IBM's position in the business world, of course, lends a credibility to us.
What Prolific saw with the Bluehouse, now Lotus Live application, is the ability to use the contacts, the content, and the collaboration aspects, coupled with Prolific's communications capabilities to talk to and through the distribution channel.
Lotus Live is a great collaboration tool, and when you marry that with the communications features of Skype, you get a complete business productivity tool.
The combined applications of Lotus Live and Prolific, what it will bring to a sales and marketing staff is efficiency, effectiveness, knowledge, and most importantly, results. What it does is it dramatically shortens sales cycles. Salespeople can do now in seconds what they used to take hours or days to do. And with our analytics package, they can know in real time how their customers are interacting with their content and who's ready to buy.
If you're an existing Salesforce.com customer, what this integration shows is how I can be within an opportunity management screen. I might have a list of contacts that I'm working with on a particular deal, and now with a couple of clicks I can create a Lotus Live meeting and have that meeting auto start, automatically be set up and running, have the right people automatically included in that meeting directly from within the Salesforce experience. So now these two services are linked to make our collective customers more productive. Collaboration is so important because it's really the foundation of how effective and productive employees and teams are going to be. And of course, with resources being as scarce and as they are, and with everyone as busy as they are, being able to maximize the productivity of an organization has got to be at the top of most companies' agenda.
Well, this is fantastic because it brings collaboration and communication to any business without an expensive installation. It's right there, ready to go.
We believe that lone wolves don't exist in business anymore. We all have to work in teams to accomplish what we need to do. So collaboration isn't everything, it's the only thing.